Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very helpful for a lot of you, because a lot of you guys asked me for product recommendations for this and product recommendations for that. This is going to be all of my favorite products of this year, 2018. Okay, so this is going to be very helpful to a lot of you. At least I hope this video is helpful. It's really just going to show you guys like what are my favorite products for everything: shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, gel, styler, moisturizer, leave-in, everything. I'm going to cover it all. Every like department, I'm going to tell you my favorite product. Get ready to rumble. I'm going to leave all the products linked down below so that if you guys want to try or need to get any of these, it's easily accessible. But this video is just really aimed to let all of you know what all of my favorite products are. So my favorite products of 2018. Let's go all the way to the top of the list and then work our way down. The first product we're going to talk about is pre-poo. So pre-poo is typically what you use before you shampoo, and my favorite pre-poo type of product is the Devacurl Wash Day Wonder. Wash Day Wonder is a really great product. You wet your hair, you put the stuff in your hair, and you can literally detangle like nobody's business. The next category is shampoo. All of you asked me, I need a good shampoo. I'm trying to find a good shampoo. My favorite shampoo is the Mielle Organics Mongongo Oil Exfoliating Shampoo. I love this shampoo because the smell's decent, but it has a nice creamy rich lather. It doesn't dry your hair out, and it has micro like chemical exfoliant, so not like you don't feel the exfoliant, but it's exfoliating your skin and removing the dead skin off of your scalp. And I really feel like that's a big reason why my hair has been growing a lot, because I clean my scalp and then this stuff exfoliates it on its own. It's really crazy. I'm almost out of it. Need to get some more. Next we go to conditioner, and my favorite conditioner is the Mielle Organics conditioner from that same line. I currently don't have any of it on me right now. I need to get some more, but the reason why I don't have any of it on me now is because I normally skip conditioner and go straight to deep conditioner, so I haven't really been using conditioners that much enough for me to go out and get some more. But that is my favorite conditioner. It's literally so moisturizing, it doesn't even make sense. Like, you're literally gonna be like, how? You know, like, that's how moisturizing it is. Next, we're on the deep conditioners. You all know this is the most important part of your routine, in my opinion. I mean, besides gel, but deep conditioner is really important, and I couldn't choose just one. I really couldn't. So I had to give you my top 4 deep conditioners, okay? This is one of the only categories that gets an exception, okay? So my top 4 deep conditioners. Devacurl Deep Sea Repair. This one is an intense protein treatment, and it's really good for damaged hair, colored hair. If you have like heat damage or anything, like, this is going to be your best friend, and it's really good to use. I use it like for every 2 washes, but I do like to get my protein treatment in, and this is my favorite one. My next favorite deep conditioner is the Devacurl Heaven in Hair. This is a really good one, and at first I didn't like this one, but now that I know how to use it, I love it. So you just have to use a lot. I was being cheap with it and trying to use a little bit, and that's why I didn't like it. Once I went to the salon and they showed me how to use it and I started using it right, woo, sits high on the list for me for deep conditioners. My next favorite deep conditioner is the Devacurl Melt Into Moisture. I actually have 2 of them. This is one of my favorite deep conditioners. It's super moisturizing. It's intensively moisturizing though, so I wouldn't leave this one in. Deep condition, you know, let it sit on your hair for 30 minutes and all that stuff. When you rinse it out, rinse it all out. Like, don't leave a little bit in, because this is really intense and it doesn't really mix too well with other products. I have 2 of them, so you can see I came back. I liked it, and I've been through like 3 of these. I've also been through a lot of deep sea repair. A lot of it. And then the last deep conditioner is a new one, and this is from a small business, but it is Dow Detroit. They are a small company, and it's a nice family, and their deep conditioner is really good. I used all of it. I really enjoyed it. It was really good. I really enjoyed this deep conditioner. It was really moisturizing, and it got down into your hair easy. Like, you know, it didn't take a lot for it to penetrate my hair. So I really like that about this deep conditioner. Their deep conditioner is actually my favorite product that they offer. I will definitely link them down below so you guys can check them out and support if you want to support a small business. Plus, this one's not as expensive as the Devacurl deep conditioner. The next category is leave-in, and my favorite leave-in of 2018, it was the Not Your Mother's Kinky Moves leave-in, but they don't sell the Kinky Moves line anymore, which is so sad because that leave-in was so moisturizing. But my next favorite leave-in is the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass leave-in conditioner. You already know. If you haven't seen my moisture video, then you wouldn't know, but Alikay Naturals, all of their products are super moisturizing. That's like their #1 priority, to make sure it's moisturized. their lemongrass leave-in conditioner is pretty darn moisturizing. So I really like this one. I'm almost out of it, need to get some more. I am loving it, and it's my new favorite. The next category is gel, and you have to be new to my channel to not know this. I'm sure you comment down below if you know what gel I'm about to say. Comment down below right now if you know what gel I'm about to say, because y'all already know what my favorite is. Y'all already know this. But my favorite gel is the Kinky Curling Custard, and I'm running out of it. I've been through literally, between me and my sister, we've probably been through like 15 jars of this, or maybe like 9. Like literally, this is our favorite gel. It's my favorite gel, my sister's favorite gel. We just love this so much. It's nice and moisturizing. It has amazing slip, gives you a nice hold. This is just our favorite gel, and the definition is incredible. I've been trying to get Kinky Curly to notice me for a while, but I guess they just don't care about me. But whether they care about me or not, win, lose, or draw, I still love this gel. Okay, this is my favorite. I tell everybody to try this gel, and everybody who has tried it, they loved it. The next category is the best moisturizer, and the best moisturizer of 2018 in my opinion is the Dulce Hydrating Curl Lotion from Alikay Naturals. This stuff right here, the most moisturizing product I've probably ever tried. Feels so good going on my hair, man. Oh man, I use it on my hair while my hair is soaking wet in the shower, and I just love it. So I use leave-in, then I use this, and then I use my gel, and I just love it. It mixes well with other products, it mixes well with my favorite gel, and yeah, I just love it. The next category is the best edges product, and my favorite edges product of 2018 is the Creme Brulee Curling Delight from Alikay Naturals. Really love this product. It's super moisturizing, and it stretches your curls. It's really a gel that's like for your hair, and then like stretches your curls. I don't really like stretch curls though, but it is amazing for your edges. Like, it just holds them down so nicely, and yet it's not like flaky or crunchy, and it's just great. I really love this for your edges. I literally used all of it. So I need to get some more. And the last category is hair oils, and in my opinion, there's 2 of the best hair oils of 2018, and so, but they're for 2 different reasons. So the first one is the Alikay Naturals Glazed Argan Oil Silkener. This little oil right here is just, it gives you so much shine. You put it on your hair to just like seal your hair. What I do is I like squirt some in my hand, and then I just, you know, do this, and then I scrunch it in my hair, and it's just so great. It adds so much shine, especially as I do that over the days of my wash and go. My hair just gets shinier and shinier and shinier. I love it. The next oil is the Rosemary Mint Oil from Mielle Organics. Now this oil right here is literally breaking the internet. Literally, it's a really great oil for your scalp. It comes in like a dropper bottle, so it's really good, you know, for applying it to your scalp, like directly to your scalp. And man, this gel right here, it has a nice tingly feel. It helps with hair growth a lot, right? So like if you're having issues with like balding or hair falling out or things like that, start using this on your scalp. It will change the game for you. The founder of this company, Monique, her husband, he has like waves. His hair was actually balding in a few spots. She started putting this on his head. Literally, he looks like his hair, like if you were just to see his hair, you would think he was like my age. A lot of guys are using it on their beard now. Man, this oil right here, like literally from Mielle Organics, their mailman is using this oil now for his hair and his beard and stuff like that. So this is the best oil for like your scalp care, and even if you guys are interested in like beard care and stuff, this right here. But for your actual hair, I feel like the Glazed Argan Oil Silkener from Alikay Naturals is the best for that. And those are the best curly hair products of 2018. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. I'm gonna thank you guys so much for your time. I really hope you guys are like crushing it, finishing out the year strong, whatever it be, whether it be final or whether it be you pursuing your goals and your dreams. I know I am really grinding, you know, cracking down on some of my dreams and some of my vision. And I hope you guys are doing the same. I hope you guys are excited to start the new year coming up. And yeah, I'm just excited for where I'm going, and I'm so glad to have you guys along this journey with me. Literally, like, you don't even know. You don't even understand. Like, you can't even understand. If I could give you a hug right now, I would, and I'm not even a hugger like that. So thank you guys so much for spending your time with me here on the internet. And that's it. All the products that I talked about will be linked down below for your convenience if you want to check any of them out. And I will catch you guys in the next one.